Happy Friday, Brian Manning here with the weekly update. Let's get right to it. So Monday, Tuesday of this week, pretty quiet news day. Stocks did move, but not really much to talk about in regards to what affects or has impacts on real estate and mortgage lending. Wednesday of this week, though, already jobs week. I can't believe it. Another month has gone by. So first, stocks were down based on tariffs that were being announced and a tariff war at China. Also, we get the MBA announcement as we do every single Wednesday. It's the Mortgage Bankers Association. They give us feedback of what's going on with purchase and refinance applications. So purchase applications for new mortgages on a year-over-year basis are up 5%. This is really in the headwind of mortgage rates being 0.3% higher and inventory being down. So still seeing a strong, resilient buyer's market there. ADP, first Wednesday of every month, we get ADP. ADP is the largest provider of private payrolls in the U.S. And expectations in the month of March were that ADP would tell us that we got 180,000 new jobs created. ADP came out, really strong report, said we had 241,000 new jobs. Not always the market mover like the BLS report, but usually gives us a little bit of an insight, but not always the same, as you'll find out in a second. Also, CoreLogic and their home price index, last 12 months on a national basis, homes were up 6.7% with appreciation. So still really good, really strong housing appreciation there. Thursday during the day, pretty quiet news day. Although this morning when stocks opened up to the down because the administration last night announcing a potential new round of tariffs and China being ready to retaliate and continue with this trade war. Stocks and corporations not really liking this, and this morning stocks opening up down. Then, first Friday of the month, we get the BLS employment report. BLS is the Bureau of Labor Statistics. This is the government's report on what's happening with job hirings and unemployment. So this was a huge miss. It was really expected that we would see somewhere between 175 and 180,000 new jobs created in the U.S. in the month of March, and we got 103,000. So not only that, the prior 2 months were revised as well. They were down another 50,000. So with the miss we have today and the prior 2 months, we actually have a revision and misses by 120,000 less jobs than anticipated or expected. So with stocks not liking what's happening with the tariffs and China, and now having these misses in the employment market, you're certainly seeing stocks down today. Bonds are benefiting from this, and in return, mortgage rates are going to benefit as well. So a lot of movement in the markets right now. I'm around all weekend. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any buyers that need to get pre-approved, give me a call. I'd love to help you any way I can. Happy Friday. Have a great day.